Hi, I'm Oliver from Nichol Smart Home, and in this video we're going to be covering a bit of a more overarching subject, the importance of device integration in a smart home. A lot of the reason that people are tentative for installing smart homes is because of the complexities in the industry. There seems to be different apps, different control standards, and different devices for everything. That's why we've come in, to standardize and integrate all of these various devices together. The main point, in my eyes at least, is creating some form of hub to centralize all of the controls for these devices. Take the data from sensors that comes in and the action information that goes out from automations, from users, from whatever's needed. This proves quite challenging as a lot of the devices we work with, from cameras to temperature sensors to smart plugs, all have different methods of communication. That's why we work hard to ensure that this integration process has an end result that is as transparent to you, the end user, as possible. We don't want you to have to care how different devices connect up, just that it works. We create easy to understand and utilize dashboards so that users don't have to even see all the complicated work going on in the background, just the things that they want to. And as for the physical hardware, well, we put in a little extra work and overplan a bit into ensuring that our devices are able to communicate with devices that aren't even out yet, so that changes and additions should be swift and easy to add, potentially even doable by the end user without our assistance whatsoever. Though I will note that our support is available all of the time if you do need our help. As for the people who do care about the tech in the background, well, we provide detailed documentation to assist in understanding what's going on and how different devices are communicating with our hubs and with Home Assistant. A video on our documentation just came out recently and is available somewhere here. We will say that the state of this industry and the integration efforts throughout the community aren't 100% there yet. There are still devices that cannot be controlled by our nor anyone else's systems, simply because they are too closed off by the companies that make them. However, we believe that for the vast majority of use cases and solutions, there are well integrated and open solutions for our users. If you're interested in having built a smoothly integrated as well as accessible, intuitive and responsive smart home, like the ones described in this video, you can head to nicholsmarthome.co.uk to receive much more info. Thanks for your consideration, and I'll see you next time.